So we are checking for dogs now on the Binance listing, and you can see here dogs is normal on the Binance listing. So we were hoping that dogs will be listed by now, but dogs is not here. However, there is an update about dogs. Let's go to a search for dogs. Let's say we get some update about dogs. Okay, so this is it. Okay, you can see dogs launch pool details. So there is the launch pool and there is the listing. So what happened is that dogs launch pool is in progress, but dogs listing is yet to come up. Now Binance will then list dogs at 12 p.m. 26th of August 2024 and open trading with dogs USDT, dogs BNB, dogs FDUSD and dogs TRY trading pairs. Okay, so there is the listing and there is the launch pool. The launch pool is already in progress. That has been ongoing. The announcement for the launch pool has been ongoing for some days now, but the listing is 26th August. So what's today's date? Today is 26th August. You can see that. By what time? That is by 12. So that is the update, guys. So keep your eyes open. Watch out on the Binance listing. That is new listing. Okay, you can see dogs. Okay, you can see that. So keep your eyes on this new listing. Maybe in a moment from now or in the next couple of hours, Binance will list dogs here again for listing. You can see ton. This is ton launch pool. Ton launch pool is still in progress, but ton has been listed. The launch pool is coming up, but the coin itself has been listed. But for dogs, the launch pool is ongoing while the listing is coming up. So keep your eyes open, guys. Alright, that's all for now. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you in my subsequent videos. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.